Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 20 divide 5 bracket 2 plus 2. This looks simple, right? But still, many people fail to solve this because they solve 2 plus 2, 4 and 5 times 4 as 20 and then 20 divided by 20 as 1, which is the wrong answer. When you have given multiple operations like division, then bracket, then in bracket there is an addition, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. With the help of this rule, you'll understand how to start this type of expression. First, you have to solve the parenthesis, that means this bracket, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, then addition and subtraction. So first we solve the parenthesis, but we have to rewrite the left out terms as well. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So, left is 20 divided by 5 times 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. So, what is the correct answer? 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.